In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GitHub to Jira and keep your development work synced automatically. If you're managing commits, branches, and pull requests alongside issue tracking, keeping everything updated manually can get tedious very quickly. The good news is that Jira includes built-in tools that make this connection much easier. So you can link your code activity directly to your project tracking and keep your team working from a single source of truth. To begin, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira workspace. If you normally access Jira through your company's Atlassian site, go there and log in securely. Once you're on the main Jira homepage, look at the top navigation bar and click Apps. This is where Jira lets you manage and extend integrations for your workspace. When the Apps menu opens, choose the option that says Find New Apps or Explore More Apps. That will take you into the Atlassian marketplace where you can search for supported integrations. In the search field near the top of the page, type GitHub and press Enter. From the results, find the official app called GitHub for Jira and open it. Now look toward the upper right area of the app page and click Get It Now or Get App, depending on what your screen shows. A confirmation window may appear, and if it does, simply confirm the installation. Jira will then begin adding the integration to your workspace. This usually only takes a moment. Once the app is installed, you should see an option such as Get Started or Configure. Click that to open the setup screen. From there, choose Connect GitHub, Organization, or Connect an Account. If you're already signed into GitHub, your available organizations or accounts may appear automatically. Select the one you want to connect, click Connect, and approve the requested permissions so Jira can access the repository data it needs to display development activity. If you don't want to sync every repository in the organization, you can narrow the connection. In the GitHub configuration window, switch from all repositories to only select repositories. Then use the repository selector to choose only the projects you want included and save your settings. This is especially helpful for larger teams or organizations that want tighter control over what gets shared. Finally, test the connection with a smart commit. In your local project, create a commit message that includes your Jira issue key and relevant smart commit commands. Then push that branch to GitHub. After that, return to Jira, open the matching issue, and check the development panel on the right side. You should now see your branch, commit activity, and related development updates appearing automatically. And that's it. Your Jira and GitHub workflow is now connected, helping your team save time, reduce manual updates, and track progress more accurately. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.